We're in the craziest snowstorm I've seen this winter. So naturally, me and my buddies are gonna try and go out. Well, not try and go out. We are gonna go out and play around in the storm. We'll give it a steeple.
That's why I'm trying to make a border.
You can't see shit out here, dude. I mean, you probably can. It's low visibility.
That's why I'm trying to make a border.
Yeah, okay.
Around the tree line.
I can't see shit out here.
Yeah, second. Huh? What's that?
Is your visors all fogged up?
Fuck.
What?
I can't see fuck out of mine.
Me too. I might go switch my fucking goggles, see my other ones are better.
Hey Kev, when I give Bob half throttle, this thing just gives out.
You mean it gives out?
Yeah, it just won't go no more and it just starts to fucking die on me. You think it's her time or what are you thinking?
Sounds like a clutching problem.
Clutch problem?
Yeah.
Oh. Hey, it's fucking weird.
Yeah, there's snow.
Fucking racist snow.
We're not even looking lines yet.
No. Just wait, there's a tree line over there.
This is the fucking warm up.
Yeah.
This is practice.
This is the warm up spot. Right, Benny? Just wait, we'll wait till Trent's here and then we'll go to that tree line.
Yeah, we don't want to track it out yet.
No.
Yeah, we can go warm up when he gets here for a bit and then come back.
I might have to call our night when we go back.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, I hate to say it, but like.
Oh, come on. I haven't seen you stuck yet.
Try for now.
I mean, like, not talking down because I know you're a new rider, but like playing around some of the deep stuff, especially go to the power lines, like if anything, it'll probably just improve your like ability from like learning like.
No, yeah,
it.
for sure.
But it's honestly your machine. If you think something's wrong, obviously, then that's your call. But
Like, does it make any noises, or does it just kind of give up? Well, other than...
gonna try and switch helmets, see if that helps any better with my visibility, because this helmet is not doing it for me. Did you give her some gas and wiggle it?
I can't give it gas. It just dies on me. I'm gonna go back home. I can't get over 30 miles per hour.
Did you get stuck? Is that what happened?
Well, I just like slowed down a little bit, whatever. And then I tried to give it gas again, I just stopped.
Yeah. Here, now, here, just give it a... Oh. Your key's not on right. Your key.